Hello, this is Yarrow with another presentation of the Zero Force motor. This is 6 pole with 3 coils on it. Pretty basic design that I've been using for quite a while. This design is comprised of 2 segments, 4.5 inches in length of 4.5 inch sewer pipe, 1/4 inch wall. 2 pieces, one piece is cut into 120-degree segments, and it's used to mount the coils. Very straightforward. So here's the oscilloscope, ready to rock and roll. Here's the power supply. We're at 27.7, 29.7 to start off. And here is my little amperage device that's hooked up to the oscilloscope. Anyway, let's give this a spin, see what happens. You can see that it ramps right up pretty rapidly, and the voltage on the power supply a little bit over 30, about 1.15 for the amperage draw. Oscilloscope is pretty good. Very nice pattern, good firing, pretty well balanced. We're still shaking this thing down, but slowly but surely before we outfit it with the full complement of neos. Gotta check it all out. Let's see what the RPM is, just to give you a sense. Nearly 4,000 RPM. It's kind of motoring right now pretty good, so there you go. Anyway, I did wanted to give an initial demonstration here of this motor prior to it being fully outfitted with the neos. Appreciate you watching this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.